Today I'm going to show you how to delete messages in Telegram quickly and easily. Whether you want to remove one message from a chat, clean up your conversation, or delete it for both sides when that option is available, this guide will walk you through the exact steps. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple how-to videos. Let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your device and go to the chat where the message you want to remove is located. This could be a private chat, a group, or another conversation thread. Once you're inside the correct chat, find the message you want to delete. Now right-click the message. On most devices, that will bring up a menu with several options. From that menu, click Delete. Telegram will then ask you to confirm that you really want to remove the message, so take a moment to make sure you've selected the right one. If you want the message deleted from the other person's account as well, look for the checkbox that says Also Delete for Other Person. Go ahead and tick that box if you want the message removed from both sides of the conversation. Just keep in mind that this option may only be available in certain chats or under certain conditions, depending on Telegram's rules for that message. Once you've chosen the option you want, click Delete again to confirm. After that, Telegram will remove the message from the chat. And that's it, the message is now deleted. If you're cleaning up multiple messages, you can repeat the same process for each one you want gone. It only takes a few clicks, and it's a simple way to keep your chats organized or remove something you no longer want visible. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. See you in the next one.